Okay, so this is micro topic 2.9 international trade. Okay, so in general, consumers are always going to want to buy the cheapest products available, and sometimes other countries are able to produce a product cheaper than another country. And consumers are going to choose to buy products internationally if they are cheaper than the ones that are produced domestically. And this will affect the supply and demand graph. Okay, so in this graph, we have the supply and demand graph of Bluetooth speakers produced in America. So you can see the equilibrium price is $30 and the quantity is 50. Now, in this scenario, the world price of Bluetooth speakers is $10. So in this situation, people are not going to choose to buy the $30 speakers in America when they can buy them $10 internationally. Okay, so after this shift occurs, we see that the producer surplus has gone from this entire triangle right here to this small shaded region right here. And the consumer surplus has gone from this triangle right here to it's now this whole triangle minus this little red section right here. So the new domestic equilibrium is 10 units, so they're only going to buy 10 units now, but their total demand is still 90 units. So in order to meet that full demand, they're going to have to import 80 more units. So one way this unit can be applied to real life is when we look at the US-China trade deficit. So the United States chooses to import goods from China rather than produce them domestically because China is able to produce goods a lot cheaper than we can. Okay, so this is a AP style practice question, and if you want to pause your video to try to answer this question yourself, go ahead. Okay, so the answer for this one is D. The quantity imported is the difference between Q5 and Q1. And like we looked at in the first example, the country will produce at Q1, but their total demand is Q5, so they're going to have to import the difference of that, which is Q5 to Q1. And here's another question, so you can go ahead and pause your video again. So the answer to this one is E, a decrease in total surplus. So when the government imposes a tariff, an area of deadweight loss will be created, which will decrease the total surplus.